everyone and welcome back to the Menka vlog, and in this video I'm going to tell you how you can do the baby massage, especially if the baby is newborn. Then we need to take special care when we are doing the massage. Babies, the newborn babies especially, are very delicate, so we need special precautions. We need to follow special instructions if we are doing massage of a newborn baby. Specifically Ivana, she's just 5 months old, so I'm going to do the massage of her today. But before starting the massage, I'll tell you what are the benefits of massage. The most important why we do the massage is baby feel very good, the muscles get relaxed, baby get calm, and they feel very happy, right? So this is the main motive of the massage. Baby's blood circulation increase, baby feel good, and ultimately baby sleep properly after the massage. So there are a lot of more benefits of baby massage, and now I'm going to tell you how to do the massage. Right, so let's start the video. So I'm starting the Ivana's massage, and I prefer here the coconut oil. This is basically the Patanjali coconut oil. This is the virgin coconut oil. You can choose any oil, whatever you prefer. So let's start with the leg. Better to start with the leg, and first of all tap the oil everywhere, spread the oil everywhere, and hold the baby's leg and glide the hand from thighs to the legs and ankles. So both the sides we have to glide the hand from thighs to ankle. In this way, if you do, the blood circulation will increase and the muscles relax, and baby's joints will also get strengthened. So simply we have to glide the hand from thighs to ankle. That's the right way. And every time we have to do 3 to 4 times. How I'm doing, 3 to 4 times in one leg, and similarly 3 to 4 times on another leg. So in this way we have to do the legs massage. Then I'm going to do the full body massage. So simply I took the oil and I'm spreading the oil everywhere. Gently we have to do, and after doing the legs you can do with the face, and simply take the oil from the forehead and in circular motion simply do it. At the nose very gently, at the lips very gently, and don't forget to do the massage of neck as well. Baby's neck is very delicate, right here? So we should do in a very gentle manner, very softly. If you do the massage of hands, take care of the hand, because the baby's hand and joints are very delicate. So make sure that you should not put a lot of pressure. See how I'm doing? I'm just holding the hand and gliding from shoulder to towards the finger. From shoulder towards the finger. Oh, okay. Take this one. Better to keep some toys around so that baby will also not cry and they will also feel happy. Ivana. What do you want? Okay, you want this? You want bottle? Okay. And now for the stomach. No. For the stomach, simply slide the hand from chest towards the stomach and at the sides. With both the hands, you can do at the sides. So this is the best way. The stomach get relaxed and
also it will get good.
Yeah, and if baby has colic problem, so the gas will also release and baby's stomach will not be heavy and baby feel good. Similarly for the back, you spread the oil everywhere and massage it in upper direction gently.
Baby.
And don't forget to apply the oil in the hairs as also. I'm not taking the bottle from her, otherwise she'll start crying. But apply the oil in the hairs as well and massage everywhere very gently with the fingers like this. And after doing this, Ivana, after doing this, we have to do simple exercise. Simple exercise of the leg, just like this.
She's enjoying.
Not more than, not so many times, just 4 to 5 times is more than enough. Yes. Oh. And similarly upper side also like this, 4 to 5 times. No, Bita, no. And at the navel part, simply gently massage around the navel.
She's crying.
Okay, so that's the best way. And don't forget the baby's fingers as well. Just give massage to the baby's fingers. And similarly for the hand fingers as well. Similarly, very slowly, very gently. And make sure you are giving the bath also for the baby. Okay. Ivana want this. Oh. So after massage, make sure that give a bath with the gentle shampoo, or if you don't want, then you can wipe the baby. That's all. So guys, guys, thank you so much for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Thank you very much.